So Seedance 2.0 just dropped and everybody's talking about this new platform to generate some insanely realistic videos and keeping character consistency throughout the entire video, all with one prompt, while also being able to add in voiceovers with realistic voices that match the character. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Seedance 2.0 and some of the quick experiments that we've done for how we're testing this tool, and just show you some of the learnings so that you can get started with Seedance as well and start to play around with it yourself. Now, if you don't know who I am and you're new to the channel, my name is Blake Bauer and I'm a co-founder and currently the CEO of a digital advertising agency called Jet Ads. And if you run meta ads, you spend over $10,000 per month on ads and you want help scaling, you can check the links in the description, learn more about that. We've worked with hundreds of clients and manage millions of dollars in ad spend per month. Now, the reason I share that with you is just so you know that I'm qualified, and also the reason that I'm looking into this tool specifically is because I'm trying to figure out how we can use these new AI tools to generate marketing materials and specifically advertisements that we can run on Meta, and on Google, TikTok, things like that, so that we can actually generate, results for our clients and for ourselves, right? So we're talking about running an ad to get a specific result, somebody to purchase, somebody to commit to a lead form, whatever it might be. So in the most likely case you want to use Seedance is for some type of commercial use. And so I'm going to explore how we can use that in this video. All right, now jumping in, here is Seedance, and you can see they have a lot of different examples of what you're able to do with Seedance. So one of the ones I really like is this, where they have this Lamborghini right here. And so they're showing a ton of different camera angles of the Lamborghini. I believe they uploaded a reference image actually showing, a similar clip taken. And basically they just got it to copy that type of thing. And you can see actually it was originally a Porsche video. And so you can see it gets some things wrong. Like this is, made up. It says Porsche on the back for some reason. So, it's not fully usable, but just to show you what's capable of doing. And then we also have this one with this donkey right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I catch a fish alive.
So yeah, really cool animation there, kind of like Pixar style. So it looks really good. It looks really realistic, obviously. Keeps that character consistency and ties it in with the actual AI voiceover as well. So you can start playing around with this tool. Now, as far as pricing goes, you can click into here and you can see annual plans start at about 118 per year. Then you can go monthly right here. But keep in mind, if you want to do commercial use, it's $40 per month to get the commercial use, which would mean to use in any advertising, anything related to a business practice looking to generate revenue. Now, when playing around with Seedance, I'm not going to lie, I ran into a lot of difficulty with this platform, and I'm going to show you some of the early generations that I tried to create and some of the failings that I had, and then ultimately where I think Seedance shines the most, and how to kind of get to a result that's usable. So let's go over to generate. Let's go over to my creations right here. So you can see I've created a few different things just by playing around with this tool. Now, the first one that I did was I uploaded an entire scene. You can see quite a long prompt right here, trying to get it to create something and just see what it can do for my agency, Jet Ads. And the first thing, again, you don't have to read through this entire prompt, but it was pretty detailed and basically was from ChatGPT, where I tried to get it. We scroll up to this prompt right here. I gave it the prompt, can you describe me a Pixar-style ad for my ad agency that gives an ad account that's sad and won't scale, something like that. Give me an entire script and describe the scene so I can use Seedance to make a video. And so you can see it described that entire scene right here. And I just wanted to see, what it could initially do. And so when we click on this video,
One I failed. I'm trying. I swear. I am scaling.
It's not broken. It's unmanaged. Jet.
Yeah, so you can see it has good voiceover, but there's a lot of just gibberish words on there. Background doesn't really make sense at all, but the character, right, at least follows somewhat of the script, but a lot of it just doesn't make sense, right? And so what I try to get it to do is I saw some other things where it was using this type of user interface, kind of like software, and showing how it works, right? So I wanted to see if I could get it to do something like that. And this is kind of what I got. So I uploaded a reference image of this and just wanted to get it to zoom in on this, show the graph. And so again, a lot of gibberish words, but you can kind of see the potential of it. That graphic was really smooth, had really nice transitions, all from this prompt again using ChatGPT. So next one was make the whole script into 12 seconds, also make it under 500 characters, and I use the reference image there. So yeah, this is where we started to get into that. Using this reference image, describe 10-second motion graphic scene. So then that's what I uploaded to get that result. Now looking at another one right here, basically I tried to clean it up a bit more, use a more detailed prompt with this. And then I also got ChatGPT to generate me a new image. So you can see right here, I actually asked it, hey, can you generate a new image of what this should look like? And then so it generated me this image with a new overlay, right? So I gave it the reference image here of, the example of what I want it to look like. And then now it pretty much customized that into, what it should say for particularly my business and what we want it to look like. So now going back into Seedance, what we can see here, uploaded this prompt.
Your ads done need luck. They need jet.
Yeah, and so you can see, again, the script was kind of off, some weird things happening, a lot of gibberish text. So there's some limitations, right? And so I think it's not quite there yet to be able to take a really complex visual prompt like this, and particularly for me, to be able to generate ads that have text on screen, show that text in a consistent manner, show detailed, analytics, things like that. But it is able to show character consistency. I think that's where it shines the most. So I kind of landed on that as the final product. I'll just show you one more right here where I try to get it to show the ROAS graph kind of going up. So you can see a bit more consistency there. So what I did was I actually just uploaded that reference image, and I just did a simple prompt, keep everything the same, don't add any voiceover, have the video start out showing the graphic, zoom in on the ROAS graph, and then show this text at the end. So pretty close. And so I think there's ways to use this to generate some pretty interesting videos. And it's all kind of with that reference image. So I would recommend, if you find something similar that you want to kind of copy and emulate, you can take that, have it generate something, and then you can use Seedance under the generation to go image to video. And then you can take that image, describe what you want it to do, and then it's going to make that. And so that's where we landed on. I think the best thing to do is have a character or some type of scene that you've already generated an image for, and then describe the speech and that you want the character to basically say, and then it will create that and keep the consistency very well. So next what I did was I actually was just like, hey, generate me a jet that's kind of like in Pixar style that I can then use to, basically have a prompt. And then I asked for a script as well. And so with that, this was the first iteration of that.
Hey, I'm Jet. Most ad accounts don't need more budget. They need better strategy. That's what we do at Jet Ads. Want your ROS to take off? Go to jetodds.co.
So again, I think the potential is really there. Again, there's a lot of like gibberish words on screen that can be cleaned up, even just through post, but obviously just trying to get the prompt so there's no text on screen. It's a consistent problem that I've seen where it kind of generates this gibberish text on there. But overall, the character consistency looks great. Like, that looks amazing. Having the mouth moving, having the voice added to it just with a simple prompt is amazing. And then so lastly, I wanted to give it one more prompt here. Same thing, and then just kind of explaining how to pronounce the words a bit better. And then, yeah, just nothing else on screen. I said no text on screen, everything like that. Same script. And this is what we got here.
Hey, I'm Jet. Most ad accounts don't need more budget. They need better strategy. That's what we do at Jet Ads. Want your results to take off? Go to jetodds.co to learn more.
Yeah, so overall, that's kind of the final result. And that's, I think, the best way to use Seedance right now that I'm seeing, especially for commercial purposes. I think using, ChatGPT or NanoBanana or something, generating a character, and then now using Seedance to be able to get that character to animate and express and have the language with it, and then getting that character to then say a script to do the emotion and the visuals. I think there's some really interesting things that we can do with Seedance here, and I'm going to keep exploring this tool even further. And so one of the tools, again, specifically for advertising, if you're interested in this, I'm going to be making another video on how we're going to be using Max Fusion with Seedance as well to generate more lifelike video ads and UGC and this style of things. Okay, so this is going to be another video that's going to be coming out in the future. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel and also leave a like on this video if you did enjoy the quick Seedance tutorial, and let me know in the comments how you guys are using Seedance and if you've checked out the platform or if you're just here interested in the newest AI tools. And if you have some type of business and you're looking to learn more about how to run your own digital ads on Meta, Google Ads, I have a bunch of videos on the channel. I recommend you checking out this video next to learn more.